Banerjee is meeting with the family of the victim right now. We'll try and connect with the reporters as well to get you more inputs. Remember, the family members and the protesting doctors are demanding justice and transparency in the investigation which is currently underway. Pooja is getting us more details on Mamata Banerjee's visit and this meeting with the family of the victim. Yes, Pooja.
Absolutely, the West Bengal Chief Minister is visiting the victim's family. Right now, we're showing you live visuals from the locality where the victim had stayed, and the Chief Minister meeting the family members and giving them assurances that the state government stands by the family in this time. Because remember, the arrest was made within 24 hours. The government has been extremely proactive as far as investigation in the case is concerned. Also, as far as the protest of the resident doctors is concerned, they have given into the demands that were placed before the government. First, the removal of the Assistant Commissioner, which was met. The AC of Kolkata Police was removed from his position. Thereafter, they demanded the resignation of the principal and the superintendent. Both of them have, in fact, submitted their resignation. A couple of more, demands that need to be fulfilled. One is the judicial inquiry and a transparent inquiry into the case. And second, the financial help for the victim's family. So now we'll have to wait and see what the Chief Minister has to announce after she meets the victim's family, because the Chief Minister has gone on record to say that the government has no problem in handing over the investigation to any other agency that the family wants. We've also seen how the Kolkata Police Commissioner, Mr. Vinit Goyal, has gone on record to also say that Kolkata Police is ready to hand over the case to whichever agency the family members ask for. So at this point in time, extremely cooperative as far as the investigation is concerned, and very, very proactive. We're seeing the West Bengal government and Kolkata Police as far as the investigation and standing by the victim's family is concerned.
Absolutely. Now, the protesting doctors and others, Pooja, constantly pointing out that yes, the main accused has been arrested, but there are other people involved as well, according to them, and that there is an attempt to save those. There's an allegation of cover-up also being leveled.
Oh, well, absolutely. The protesting doctors are saying that more than one person has been involved, but the police, in fact, has now arrested the rape and murder accused within the 24 hours of the crime being committed. Sanjay Rai was, in fact, arrested within hours of the complaint being registered. But at this point in time, the Kolkata police is conducting a DNA mapping, wherein they are going to match the DNA sample of Sanjay Rai, the rape and murder accused, with the semen that was collected from the victim's body to ascertain whether more than one persons were involved in the crime or not. And Sanjay Rai's motorcycle has also been seized today. A sticker of police was written, was stuck on the bike, which in fact has been seized today. He was employed as a civic volunteer, and questions clearly being raised how someone employed with the government could commit a heinous crime like this, and how did a civic volunteer have access to all departments of the hospital where he frequented all departments and knew who was resting when in the seminar hall.
Right.